welcome back. This is the train channel. We're just letting the train viewers know before that passenger comes by that we're not going to get that OC&T's passenger train at Petroleum Center, the return trip to Titusville, due to the PennDOT construction that's been going on. So again, we did not get the passenger train at Petroleum Center to head back due to construction is what's happening right now. So, but nonetheless, we have an OC&T passenger train heading back to the Perry Street station in Titusville. Let's check it out, and we're back at the Drake Wells station in Titusville. Horn ship. I don't know where that other there's the end. Symbol on that train was OC&T Alco 75. That train originates to Roseville, Pennsylvania, heads north to Titusville, Pennsylvania. We're almost there where it terminates. On this Wednesday, August 9th, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the final passenger train on the live stream. Talk to you later.